Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and I'm going to show you how to do a front sway bar link. It's going to be a very easy job, and I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need these or any other parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So here we go, friends. I've got the vehicle supported off the ground. The wheel's just barely touching, so the majority of the weight is off of the wheel. I'm going to use my 21mm socket and a long breaker bar. I'm just going to break all 6 of these lug nuts free. I don't want to loosen them up too much. I don't want to damage my studs by the wheel, cocking off to the side or anything. There we are, all 6. Now we can raise the vehicle. We'll make sure it's safely supported. We'll take off all the lug nuts and remove the wheel. 1 lug nut left. We're going to hold the wheel so it can't move around. Come on, baby. There it is. Set these aside. Remove our wheel. Set it aside so it's safe. We've got our new link. Let's just hold it up next to our old one. They look as though they're about the same length. We've got a long shaft that comes through the knuckle. Looks good. The shorter shaft goes through the sway bar. I would say that'll work fine. All right, let's get to removing this. I'm just gonna put a little bit of penetrant. Use my 17mm. You can use a ratchet or a wrench or whatever you have access to. Sometimes the whole shaft will spin. We'll keep an eye on it. Looks like it is. So what I'm gonna do, grab some locking pliers. I'm gonna try to grip onto it as tight as I can. Get this so it's nice and hopefully broken free here. Try with my ratchet wrench. There's our nut. Let's do the other one. Right down here, we've got another 17mm. So I'm going to put on my locking pliers. Make sure it's as tight as I can get it. Yeah, cool. Want to be careful not to pinch our axle boot, of course. Just work it like this, get my penetrant worked in there. Then I'm going to grab my ratchet wrench. That feels pretty good. See what we can do here and try to just see if I can bonk this out. There's our old link. Let's go ahead and match it up to the new one. So here we go, a quick product comparison for you. This is our old sway bar link out of our 2007 Toyota FJ. We just removed it, very simple. Over here, we have our brand new quality 1A Auto part. As you can tell, they're both the exact same length. They both have a long shaft right here that goes through the knuckle. They both have a short shaft over here. Comes with a brand new locking nut. You don't want to reuse the old one. Another one over here. It's got everything you need. Sealed boots. Don't see any reason why this wouldn't be a quality part to install, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. So if you need this or any other quality part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So here's our brand new quality 1A Auto part. When you take it out of the packaging, you might realize it has this on it. It's just this little washer. You just turn it all the way down to the end, so it's bottomed out there. And you might notice the same down here. I'm going to do the same exact thing. This is going to give a nice gripping plate to go up against the sway bar, and then this is going to press up against that and the sway bar as well. And then this is going to go against the knuckle and the knuckle. Okay? So we got those locked down. I'm just gonna put it into the sway bar down here. I'm not gonna go all the way yet. I'm just gonna try to get this lined up with the knuckle, okay? Let's see if we can get it in. Okay, both of them are in. We're gonna take our locking nuts, put it on there. We've got our other one. Put it on the back side here. Very nice. Now we'll just tighten these down. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and tighten these up. The new nuts are 18 millimeter. You can use your ratchet or your air gun. Whatever you want to use. You do you, boo-boo. Just gonna go ahead and tighten it. Give it a little bit more here. Okay. I'm gonna do this one down here. Make sure I turn it the right way. Tight, tight. So here we go. We're gonna grab our wheel. We're gonna roll it right up our leg. Lift with our abs, okay? Nice and easy. Let's get that on there. Hold the wheel so it can't fall. Here we are, we got a few good threads. We can let go now. We'll grab the other 5 lug nuts. We'll bottom them out, then we'll bring it down and torque it up. So we're gonna take our 21 millimeter socket. We're gonna torque down our 6 lug nuts, okay? You're gonna try to make like a star or a snowflake pattern, basically crisscross, okay? You don't wanna go around in a circle. All right, if you wanna go around again, go around again. 85 foot-pounds.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.